Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule post on LinkedIn. Well, this is very easy thing to do. In the bottom right side corner, or you can see in the bottom middle, there is an option of post. So this is a post. Now I will just write here something. For example, this is an example post, right? And here if you just write something, you will always see a clock icon beside post. So just tap on the clock icon and this is where you can just schedule your post. So today is 28 May and I want to schedule it for the next month, which is basically 1st of June. So this is a date. I will just click on OK and I want to make the time at 5 o'clock, right, in the evening. Now I have scheduled my post. I will click on the next. Now here you can see if I just click on schedule, now my post has been scheduled. So this is how you can schedule your post on LinkedIn very easily. If you really like this video, make sure to like this video, subscribe. See you guys in the next video.